Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now this is the largest shopping center in Jamaica. It has everything you could possibly need in a shopping center, but it also follows the formula to be for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Now you need a big brand name supermarket. This plaza has two, high-low and progressive foods. You need to build it in a populated area, and this is a very populated area. Look at the parking lot, it's literally full. And you need food stores, and this plaza has every food store you can think of. It has every restaurant, it has every fast food chain, has a store here. So it's very successful. In addition to all of those things, it has every major bank in Jamaica has a location in here. We have Sagicor, BNS, NCB, CIBC. All of them have branches in here. First Global has a branch in here. So straight ahead you have the Juicy Patties, the Domino's, Digicel, Flow. And then straight ahead now where you see that massive building, that's the Progressive Food Supermarket. You can see this is it's just look at the parking lot alone and you see how busy this plaza is. And not only is it is the largest plaza or mall in Jamaica, it's also the largest in the Caribbean. This is a massive structure. I'm just gonna show you some more of the stores on the left, and then we head up to the other side. Alright, so over here we have On Court, you have DLE Cafe, and you have more restaurants, and you have Starbucks Coffee, CIBC Bank. Straight ahead is NCB Bank. sure why there's so much traffic. Guess the mall is just that busy today. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.